Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe today. Thank you for joining my channel. If you're new, thanks for stopping by. We talk about everything crochet and yarn related. So if you want to hit that subscribe button, that'd be awesome. And please look below. There's a link, the very first thing in the description box, and it'll take you to hundreds and hundreds of crochet tutorials, all free for you to enjoy. I have anything that you could ever want to make in multiples of them. And if you're a returning friend, thank you for joining me and talking yarn with me. So today I'm going to be showing you a couple of mystery boxes that I got. Now, I've purchased from this company before. This is actually a charity organization. It's called Knots of Love. Maybe you guys have remembered that. Now I will put a link to their website below. What it is, the mystery boxes you buy, or they have kits that you can buy to make hats and stuff. It's a nonprofit organization, so it all goes towards helping those going through chemotherapy and, you know, babies in the NICU and things like that. So if you'd like to learn more, please look at the link below. So they do sell mystery boxes of yarn. That, you know, it's not going to be tons because it is a charity organization. So I bought two, and they are $19.99 a piece. Got here in like 2 days. It was super fast. Now they only allow you to buy two because of of the high demand of them. If you put more than, it'll allow you to purchase more, but they won't ship you more than two. They'll either refund your money or ask if you want to donate what you spent to their cause. So two is all they allow, and it is located in California. So do you guys want to see? Now remember, they do have other things as well. They have like kits that you can buy. They only allow certain types of yarn to make hats and things out of. You'll find all that information below, or all that information on their website. So let's do it. So this is it. This is it. This is it. So this is how their mystery bags come. Knots of Love. It's a nice organization. It is. So thank you for helping touch more lives. Enjoy your beautiful yarn and goodies. Thank you. Okay. All right. So we'll look in one of the bags here. They always come in a little canvas bag here. Ooh. Remember, all the money from this, it goes to their charity, helping run their charity organization, because they are not for profit. So you get your bag. These are $19.99. I highly recommend them if you have the means, because it does go to a good organization. And you get a tape measure. Who doesn't need a good tape? I go through them like everybody steals them from me at my house. So like, you know, I always use them. Oh, I got this, you know, I got this the other day in one of my Hirschner mystery bags, and I said that, not Hirschner, Mary Maxim mystery bags, and I said it was the first time that I have ever seen it. What a cool winky dink that I got it again. This is it's called Soft Cotton Chunky. That's beautiful purple. It is. So it's a variegated yarn, and it's a 5-weight, bulky number 5. 153 yards of a cotton acrylic blend. It feels good. That's weird that I got it again. So I got two of those, and then I got a Cascades Cherub DK, also in a purple as well. Now remember, you can't expect a lot in these mystery bags because it is not for profit. I always like to say that. So that was one mystery bag like that. Let's check out and see what the others. And in my experience, I have purchased mystery bags from them before. You never get the same thing. And if you buy more than one, well, I haven't yet, but you know, it's always a possibility. So I got my bag again, and then you get your tape in it, tape measure. Okay, this is Cherub, Cascade Yarns, Cherub Aran weight. So I have some of this at my house. It's 55 nylon, a 45 acrylic, 240 yards of an Aran weight, which is a 4-weight. It says you can machine wash and tumble dry. Nice. It feels good. It's nice and soft. So I got a pink and the blue. And then I also got one in a variegated. So that is what was in my mystery boxes. I also got a little pack of something here. Check it out. Why don't we? Not sure what this is, but we'll look at it and see. Okay, so I got a little Knots of Love zipper bag. That's cute. Keep my yarn needles or something in there. Oh, I'm trying to zip it up that way. Keep it on your purse. The World According to Mr. Rogers. To Crystal from the Knots of Love family. Oh my gosh. Do you know what is so funny? You see this book here? See this book here? Just a second. It's a teeny tiny. I got the real one. I love Mr. Rogers. I watched him every day before I went to kindergarten. Back in time when you only had to go to kindergarten half a day. Well, I went in the afternoon, so during the morning time, right before the bus came, I would watch. This is the original book. I bought this off Amazon. But now I have a mini version. That is so adorbs. I love it. As much as I like Mr. Rogers. All right. And then I got, that's funny. I love that book. That's super cool. It's a New York Times bestseller. Yes, it is. It was at the time when it came out. All right, and then I got a clover necklace. This got the yarn cutter thingamajig on it, so you can wear it around your neck if you want. If you carry your yarn around with you, slice it up. Slice it up. All right, so that's what came in my 2 mystery bags. Now remember, this is all non-for-profit, so I got this in one with the tape, and this in the other with the tape measure in the canvas bag. This other stuff was extra. I love the mini Mr. Rogers book to go along with the original that I bought off Amazon a while back. And that is my video for today. It's short and sweet, so please check out Knots of Love. I put a link below in the description box. They have the mystery bags. As you can see, this is similar things that you might receive. Receive different. They have kits that you can buy to help them. It includes yarns and patterns that you can use to crochet for their organization. There's also information on how you can crochet yourself for their organization, as far as what yarns to use, and I think you can use any pattern. I'm not certain, but you might want to look that up. They take knitted or crocheted, And there's also places that you can make monetary donations to help them out. So I'm going to go. Remember, please look them up. I had a good time. I always do. I love that Mr. Rogers book. Super cool. I like the mini of the original. The original was already small, but now I got a mini of a mini. Bye, guys. Stay safe, okay? I'll see you on my next video.